Are you tired of juggling 10 different AI subscriptions just to create one piece of content? Paying $97 here, $49 there, $127 over there, only to find out the AI you need for your project is locked behind another paywall? Here's the painful truth most people learning AI face. You're spending more money on tools than you're making with them. You're stuck in subscription hell, switching between ChatGPT for writing, DALL-E for images, 11 Labs for voice, and 12 other platforms just to complete one simple project. What if I told you there's a way to access every premium AI model, GPT-5, Claude, Gemini, Grok, DALL-E 3, and 50 plus others, from one dashboard with one payment forever? Let me paint you a picture of what's happening right now in the AI world. The average AI user is paying between $1,000 to $2,000 every month just to access basic versions of premium AI tools. That's $12,000 to $24,000 per year. And here's what makes it worse. You're limited to basic versions while the good stuff costs extra. Every time a new model comes out, you pay again. Your workflow is broken across 15 different platforms. Half your time is wasted just switching between tools. You're always one subscription cancellation away from losing access. Meanwhile, AI agencies and professionals who've figured out the system are making $5,000, $10,000, even $50,000 per month creating content, building businesses, and selling AI services. The difference? They have access to the right tools without the monthly bleeding. That's exactly why I'm excited to show you Multiverse AI, the world's first all-in-one AI dashboard that gives you unlimited access to every major AI model and version from a single platform. This isn't just another AI tool, this is your ticket to the entire AI multiverse. Imagine having ChatGPT 5, GPT 4.5, Claude 3.7, Gemini 2.0, Grok 4, DALL-E 3, VO Video AI, 11 Labs Voice, and 50 plus other premium models, all accessible with just 3 clicks. No monthly fees, no version upgrades to buy, no platform switching, just pure, unlimited AI power at your fingertips. Let me show you what makes Multiverse AI absolutely game-changing. First, multi-version access power. You get every version of every AI model. Want lightning-fast content? Use Claude Haiku. Need deep analysis? Switch to GPT 4.5. Want creative imagery? Choose between DALL-E 3, Stable Diffusion, XL, or FLUX Pro. The choice is yours, instantly. Second, the content creation arsenal. Generate Hollywood-level videos with Kling 2.1 and Google VO. Create stunning 8K images with DALL-E 3 and Stable Diffusion. Produce human-like voiceovers in 80 plus languages with 11 Labs. Write sales pages, blogs, and ads that convert with multiple GPT versions. Build chatbots and automations that actually work. Third, the Business Builder tools. This is where it gets exciting. Multiverse AI comes with everything you need to start your own AI business. Commercial license to sell everything you create. Client project manager to handle multiple customers. White label capabilities to build your own AI platform. Done-for-you templates and prompts worth $1,000. Fourth, future-proof technology. Here's the kicker. When GPT-6 comes out, when Claude 4 launches, when the next breakthrough AI drops, you get it automatically. No extra cost, no new subscription. You're always on the cutting edge. Now let's talk about the real reason you should care about this, the money-making potential. With Multiverse AI, you can launch multiple income streams immediately. Stream number 1, content services. Charge clients $500 to $1,000 for sales pages, ad copy, and blog content. One client pays for your entire year. Stream number 2, video creation. Create promotional videos, social media content, and ads for $300, $1,500 per project. The AI does the work, you keep the profits. Stream number 3, voice and audio. Sell audiobooks, podcast intros, and multilingual voiceovers. Some users are making $200, $500 per audio project. Stream number 4, your own AI platform. Here's the big one. Use the Resell rights to start your own monthly AI subscription business. Charge users $47.97 per month for access to your branded AI dashboard. Get 100 subscribers and you're making $4,700 to $9,700 monthly. Stream number 5, consulting and training. Position yourself as the AI expert and charge $150 to $300 per hour, teaching others how to use AI effectively. The math is simple. If you land just one $1,000 client project per month, you'll make more than most people spend on AI subscriptions all year. And you're doing it with tools that normally cost $24,000 annually. Let's put this in perspective. If you were to buy access to these AI models separately, here's what you'd pay. ChatGPT Plus, $240 a year. Claude Pro, $240 a year. Gemini Advanced, $240 a year. DALL-E credits, $600 a year. 11 Labs Pro, $330 a year. Video AI platforms, $200 a year, sir. Plus 20 plus other tools, $8,000 a year. Total annual cost, over $12,000. With Multiverse AI, you pay once, $14.95. That's less than you'd spend on lunch. But here's what makes this truly special. You're not just saving money, you're getting 10x faster creation speed with multi-AI access. Professional quality outputs that command premium prices. Zero learning curve with beginner-friendly interface. 24/7 access from any device anywhere in the world. The ability to scale without limits. Don't just take my word for it. Early users are already seeing incredible results. Sarah from Texas launched her AI content agency and made $8,500 in her first month using just the writing and image tools. Mike from California replaced his 800-month tool stack with Multiverse AI and tripled his output while working half the hours. Jennifer used the video AI to create promotional content for local businesses and now charges $200 per video project. But here's the thing. This one-time pricing is only available during this exclusive launch period. The creators have confirmed that once this promotion ends, Multiverse AI will move to a monthly subscription model starting at $597 per month. That means if you're watching this video, you're among the last people who can lock in lifetime access for a one-time payment. So, here's what you need to do right now. Click the link below this video and secure your lifetime access to Multiverse AI for just $14,095. That's a 99.97% discount off the regular price. You're getting unlimited access to 50+ premium AI models. Every future version and update automatically. Commercial rights to sell everything you create. The ability to build your own AI business. Tools that normally cost $12,000 per year. 30-day money-back guarantee. But more importantly, you're getting the keys to financial freedom in the AI economy. While others are spending thousands per month on scattered tools, you'll have everything you need to create, sell, and scale. From one powerful dashboard. The first 50 people also get exclusive resell rights worth $2,000, meaning you can literally sell Multiverse AI access to others and keep 100% of the profits. Look, in 12 months, AI will be even more essential to every business. The people who get access to the best tools now will be the ones profiting while others are still figuring it out. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Click the button below, get instant access to your Multiverse AI dashboard, and start building your AI-powered income streams today. Remember, this one-time pricing disappears forever when this page closes. Don't come back tomorrow looking for this deal because it won't be here. Your future self will thank you for making this decision. Click the link below this video now and join the Multiverse AI revolution.